Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I am going to tell about how can you off do not disturb setting in realme phone. You want to off do not disturb in your realme phone, guys, so you can off easily. And how to off I will tell you in this video, guys. We will talk about it. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now friend, first of all open your phone setting, then guys click on sound and vibration. Guys, you can see do not disturb. Guys, you want to off, so guys click here, so it will off do not disturb setting. So your friends, we have understood how to off do not disturb setting in realme phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.